Hello my students, Prep 1, how are you? Today we'll solve model number 10 Muasir book, second term in this year 2025. First question, choose the correct answer from the given ones. What is the numerical value of the expression a power 2 times b power negative 2 when a equal 2 and b equal 3? First step, we can put a equal 2 and b equal 3 in this expression. A power 2 product by b power negative 2. He gives us this information, a equal to, then 2 power 2 product by the value of b here 3 power negative 2, then 2 power 2 4 and 3 power negative 2, it's reciprocal of 3 power 2 because the power here negative, and then the result will be 4 times 1 over 9. The result will be 4 over 9 in the simplest form because 3 power 2 equal 9. 1 over 9 times 4, it will be 4 over 9. Choose letter D. Next question here. Number 2, if x over 8 equal 1, what is the value of x? We know x over 8p equal 1, then the value of x equal 8p, because 8p divided itself, it will be equal 1. So the value of x here equal 8p, choose letter C. Next question, if the area of rhombus is 100 square units, and what is the product of the lengths of its diagonal? We know the area equal half product by diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. It's the area of rhombus. The area was 100. 100 equal half product by diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Then diagonal 1 times diagonal 2, it will be 200 because 200 divided by 2 equal 100. Then the product of the lengths of its diagonals, it will be 200. Choose 200, letter D. Next question here. The product between two expressions, half x plus 1 and the conjunct of it, half of x subtract by 1, equivalent ax power 2 minus 1. Here we can find the product between first by first and second by second, because here we have two expressions, two terms and two terms. First like second, first, and second like second. We called here like terms. We called it conjunct fractions. Or conjunct expression. Then the product between first and first will be 4x power 2 and second by second negative 1. It will be ax power 2 minus 1. We can cancel negative 1 by negative 1, and then 4x power 2 equal ax power 2. We can divide it by x power 2, or a coefficient of x power 2 here, it will be 4. So the value of a here, it will be 4. Shows the following point is the same point of by reflection in x-axis. It will be any point lies in x-axis, the reflection of it will be the same. Like what? Like negative 3 and 0. This point lies on or lies in x-axis. Then the line here, negative 3 and 0, this point lies in x-axis. Then the image of this point, it will be the same point. Okay, because any point lies in x-axis, the image will be itself. Then we must choose letter A about question number 5. Question number 6, which inequality expression that temperature is less than 23? X less than 23. Choose letter C. Next question. If cubic root of A equal 8, what is the value of 8? 8 here will be 8 times 8 times 8. A equal 8 product by 8 product by 8. Then cubic root of A power 3 equal what? 8 power 3 equal 8. Then the value of a equal 8 power 3. A equal a power 3. Next question. Choose the following can't be property and event. Any property or if event like that a greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1. Then negative 0.2, it's false. Refused, letter B. Can't be probability of any event, because negative any probability or any property of any event greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1. The probability of impossible if probability of null set like any number event equal 0, we know event A it will be null set, and probability of sure it will be 1, like 6 over 6, it will be 1 and all 6. Then the probability must be greater than or equal to 0, less than 1. Then we can't choose what? Can't be probability event, choose negative 0.2. The following can't be probability of event will be negative 0.2. The number a product by 10 power negative 9 is right in scientific notation. Then which of the following could be the value of a? We know a must be greater than or equal to 1 less than 10. Absolute value of a. Absolute value of a greater than or equal to 1 and negative 10. Less than 10. Absolute value of a is greater than or equal to 1 less than 10. Then the value of a here equal negative 9. Choose letter A. Answer the following second group, where the one the triangle is the image of the other by reflection in y-axis. We have here reflection in y-axis. What is the value of A and B and C? We know the side length equality between the original triangle and the image, and plus 3 equivalent 8. So we can find the length of P here equal 8 minus 3, 5. And the hypotenuse here, 3a minus 2 equivalent 16. We can move negative 2 here, then 3a equals 16 plus 2 equal 18. And then divided by 3, 18 divided by 3 equals 6. And also the measure of this angle equivalent here, angle. We have right angle triangles. In the measure of angle in the vertex here 30, it's a corresponding angles here it will be 30 degree also. Then we can find the measure of angle here theta will be 60 degree because the sum of interior angles in any triangle equal 180. So theta here will be 60 degree. Okay, 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 90 equal what? 180. Or we have here 30 60 triangle. Next question, calculate the area of the opposite square. We have square here, we can find the area of square equal half diagonal power 2. We have here diagonal equal 7 plus 7, it will be 14. This diagonal will be 14. 14 power 2, then the area equal half product by 14 times itself. 14 times 14. Half of 14 equals 7. 7 product by 14. Okay. 4 times 7 equals 28. Write 8 and carry up to 1 times 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Then the area will be 98 square inches. Square inches. Next question here, number 3. Write the result of the following here, scientific notation. We must convert this expression to the image as a scientific notation. We can write 10 power 4 highest common factor between two terms. 10 power 4 and 10 power 5 can divide it by 10 power 4. Then 10 power 4 is the highest common factor between two terms here. We can write 10 power 4 outside here. Okay, and then you can divide it, this expression by 10 power 4. 10 power 4 equal divided by 10 power 4 equal 1. 1 times 2.1 equal 2.1 at 2. The expression divided by 10 power 4 it will be what? Be 10. 10 power 5 divided 10 power 4 it will be 10. Then the remainder will be 4.1 product by 10. Okay, and then we can simplify here, it's order operation. We can find product first. 4.1 times 10 it will be 41 plus 2.1. And then we can add together here between two numbers. 41 plus 2 equal 43 and 1/10 product by 10 power 4. But this number we must convert it to scientific notation. Scientific notation tell us the number here must be greater than or equal to 1 or less than 10, and this number greater than 10, so we must move the point left hand side by 1 place. The result will be 4.31 product by 10 power 1, because we move the point left hand side by 1 place, product by 10 power 4. And also we can write the result 4.31 product by 10 power 4 plus 1 equal 5. So we can convert to scientific notation by move the point left hand side by 1 place, and then 8 powers here, first and second, because we have same bases, you must add 2 powers. The result will be 4.31 times 10 power 5. Next question, find the numerical value of the expression here. If a equal 2 and b equal negative 3, then find the numerical value of a power 2 to b power 2 plus ap. First step, we must put a equal to 2 power 2 plus b power 2. P here equal negative 3 power 2 plus a product by b. A equal 2 product b here negative 3. Then 2 power 2 4 and negative 3 power 2 it will be 9. 2 times negative 3 equal negative 6. 4 plus 9 equal 13. 13 minus 6 equals 7. So the result here will be 7. Next question, draw a line segment of length 10 centimeters and divide it using ruler compass into 4 equal segments. Verify by the ruler that the 4 segments are equal. Okay, we can use the ruler first and pencil to draw. It will be here. Okay, the result will be, but we must try the steps. Okay, look at me about steps. First step, we must draw line segment AB. The line segment AB, the length here equal 10 centimeter, and then we must open the compass, compass half greater than the half of AB. You must open this compass greater than half of AB and then draw arc up and down. Don't change the open of the arc. Okay, start from A and the end B, draw the other arc, and then use ruler and the pencil to draw line symmetry like this. It's line symmetry divided AB to equal parts, and then going to start about this point A here and do, because you want to divide this line segment 4 parts equal. Then you can cancel this part and start from A and the midpoint and draw arc up and arc down, and then going here in this point do arc up and down, and then also you can come here this point and this point, draw the first or the second line symmetry, and then going to the midpoint here, draw arc up and down, and going here P, arc and down, and then there is an arc also. Okay, 1 2 3 4, then we have 4 parts equality here. Next question, number 6, divide the expression by expression. You must use long division. Use the sign here and write the dividend and divisor. You must write the dividend organized descending or ascending. This expression arranged descending. Write 8x power 2 plus 6x minus 9 divided by 2x plus 3. First step, 8x power 2 divided by 2x. 8 divided by 2 equal 4, and x power 2 divided by x equal x. Next step, product the quotient by the divisor. 4x times 2x equal 8x power 2. 4x times 3 equal 12x, and then find the difference between two expressions. 6x minus 12x, it will be negative 6x, subtract by 9, and then negative 6x divided by 2x, negative divided by positive negative, 6 divided by 2 equal 3, x divided by x1, and then going to product the quotient by the divisor. Negative 3 times 2x equal negative 6x, negative 3 times 3, it will be negative 9, and then change the sign here to find the difference between them 0, then the quotient will be 4x minus 3. Next question, number 7. A fair coin was chosen and then fair die was ruled. Then the upper face of the coin as the number as the pairs on the upper face of the die we're observing. We have coin first, we have hit or tail, and the second we have die 1 2 3 4 5 or 6, and also tail 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Then we can write here, we can write is randomly here about head and 1, head and 2, head and 3, head and 4, head and 5, head and 6, and tail and 1, tail and 2, tail and 3, tail and 4, tail and 5, tail and 6, because the first two things will be head or tail. Then we have the number of elements or number of orders in the space will be 6 plus 6 equal 12. He won't find what the event A is the event bearing tail and odd number. Okay, he asked about the bearing tail and odd number. Then we must write E here equal the order. The first here was tall, and the second odd, t and 1, and also t 3 or t and 5. It's odd numbers, okay? And even to be a pairing head, an even number head, and even numbers. We have even 2 or 4 or 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, solution. If you want the probability of H or P, it will be half because or fourth, because we have 3 orders here from 12 orders. The result will be 3 over 12 equal be 1 over 4. It's last question. We finished now all tests. Thank you, my students. Goodbye.